Would you like to improve your fuel efficiency? Would you like to improve your overall engine performance? Beaudesert Exhaust is a privately owned aftermarket exhaust manufacturer and supplier based in southeast Queensland. With over 25 years' experience, owners Brian and Jane Parker, along with their team, pride themselves on their ability to provide customised solutions for performance vehicles and four-wheel drives using the unique mandrel bending technology. Brian and his team are well aware of the problems associated with large diameter thin wall steel tubing. Round dies used in conventional press bending cannot bend without collapsing or crimping the tube to some extent. Any reduction of pipe size creates a restriction, and that reduces power and economy. To overcome this, Brian is invested in CNC mandrel bending machines that are capable of bending pipe without restricting the diameter. A mandrel bend high-performance exhaust provides a noticeable improvement in engine performance and better fuel economy. Beaudesert Exhausts is one of the few Queensland-based businesses that have invested in the CNC mandrel bending machines. This is a very specialised area that requires many years of experience. The CNC mandrel bending machines use a pair of half-round steel dies to hydraulically bend the outside of the tubing. The difference is that the mandrel bender inserts an articulated steel stiffener, the mandrel, inside the tube to keep it from collapsing. It's like a series of 3 or 4 metal donuts held together by a ball and socket and spring arrangement, just a hair smaller in diameter than the inner diameter of the tube. Most exhaust systems on four-wheel drives and commercial vehicles will need several bends. The larger the tubing, the more severe the crimper will be with regular tube benders. A major benefit of mandrel bending is the increase in the size of the diameter of the pipe, thus increasing the airflow into and out of your engine.
In 1980 I started my business and had a look around the town of Beaudesert and saw that there was a need for an exhaust shop. And then I looked in Queensland, there was no one specialising in mandrel tube bending, so I decided to buy my first mandrel tube bender.
Years after starting out with one single axis machine, Beaudesert Exhausts now has 5 mandrel tube bending machines in their workshop. The latest is a CNC 4-axis double stack machine which is capable of bending tube with a minimum of length between bends. This machine also has rear boost, which stops any stretch and elongation in the tube, therefore producing more consistency in the bend. With an extra long bed on the machine, 6 metres of tube can be bent at one time to produce items such as headboards, long handrails, etc. Most exhaust shops use press bends on their exhausts, but when you compare to the mandrel bend you can see for yourself there is no comparison. The press bender shrinks the inside of the tube and restricts the flow, and does not compare with the high-quality bends and performance exhausts which are produced by a mandrel tube bending machine. Beaudesert Exhausts supply to both the trade and retail market mandrel bent pipes such as engine pipes, tailpipes and self-installation exhaust kits. Tube and mandrel bends ranging from 1 1/4 to 5 inch in stainless, aluminized and mild steel are available and are held in stock. Beaudesert Exhausts is a proud Australian company, supplying Australia-wide and internationally. Improving the economy and performance of your vehicle is simple with Beaudesert Exhausts. Surprise yourself and your engine.